How you guys doing today? Pretty sure you guessed it. It's another one of those spontaneous pack opening days. This is part 12. I'm going to continue with the Dollar Tree packs, and I am really excited because the last Dollar Tree pack opening, part 10, I will go ahead and put that in the description. You should go check that one out. There was 68 packs. This time we upgraded a little bit. We got 25, 25, 25, and 16. So we have a total of 91 packs here. 91. So are you guys ready to get into it? The thing I'm most excited about right now is that when I was putting them down here, I seen a little defect in these two here, and I'm gonna open these ones up first. As you can see, it was cut off somehow here. The crimp was put here and it was not closed, and then it was cut off from here. The manufacturer or the machines cut it off too fast, so I think this is going to be my first crimp card, so I want to get into it and see how it looks. I'm really excited about that. I haven't got a crimp card yet. Crimp cards, depending I guess what they are, and you know, air cards can become quite valuable. And it looks like it's just this one down here. There's a little bit of crimp on these ones. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's just some commons, but this is crimp, and it's a really bad crimp because it actually ripped the card. Oh well. Let's get through these fast because there is a lot of them, okay? I'm not gonna say too much here, too many names. Let me know in the comment section if you guys prefer that I do it quickly for you, or if you prefer I go a little slower and say the names. But like I said before, I think that you guys know your Pokemon. And this is from the same box that I opened in the last. Oh, we got a holo here. Holo Demise. I'm gonna set it back here. As I was saying, this is from the same box, Dollar Tree box that I pulled the last part 10. I'm sorry, part 11. So this is part 12. Part 11, I believe, yeah. In part 11, I opened the same packs from the same box. Okay, we got another holo, Alolan Golem. Put them back here. Lots of holos in this box here. Reverse Oricorio. I'm not sure what's the ratio of what ultra rares you could get in the box. I heard it was about 10 maybe that you can get. Ooh, where's the other card? Did I drop it? I think there's only 2 cards in this one, guys. Hold on one second. But I got a Metagross here. Yeah, guys, there was only 2 cards in that pack. That's weird. Alright, well, at least they gave me an ultra rare in that one. I got a Metagross GX. That's odd. Only 2 cards in that one. Alright, let me sleeve him up really quick in my pink sleeves. We'll set him back here with Mewtwo. I mean, little Mew. And we'll keep going. Pretty good so far. 2 holos and an ultra rare. Not really bad at all. Hopefully we get some more goodies. I need some help. Who's gonna come help me open all these guys? I'm too slow. I'm still weirded out that that one pack had two cards in it. Alright, we're almost through with 25 packs. Alright, that was 25 packs. Excuse me. And from 25... Oh, I'm sorry. Here's one more. Alright, 25. 25, we got 2 holos and a ultra rare Metagross and all this stuff. Alright, let's move on. I'm going to put this pile to the side. Move on to the next pile of 25. Nope, nope, nope. Garbage, 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 trash, trash, trash. Rare Rayquaza. Nope. Nope. Ay vey. Oh, I'm out of breath, guys. Tired already. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, look at that. We got a Tapu Lele. Great. How much is this card, guys? Like 20, 30 bucks? Yay. Tapu Lele. Tapu Lele. Oh, yeah. I'm going to check right here. The Tapu Lele non-full art. Non-hyper rare is $40! Woohoo! Guys, I'm so excited. Yeah. Something good. This makes up for that last video. Alright, we will go ahead and set the Tapu Lele right here by Mewtwo. Can you hold them up for us, Mewtwo? Thanks. Don't be jelly. Alright, let's move on, guys. Woohoo! Doing not too bad now. So far we got 2 ultra rares and 2 holos. Can we get a secret rare or a full art? That would be nice, huh? Ooh, choice band. Don't worry, we'll do a recap of all the cards later. Wishy-washy. Wishy-washy. Do. Nope, nothing. Here's a code for you all, my subscribers. Let me know what you get in the comment section. Let me get through this fast here. How much faster can I go here? I think the faster I try to go, the slower I end up going. Alright. Nothing. Sorry. Nose past my choke. Sorry guys. Okay, here we go. Moving on, almost done with the second pile of 25, which would make it 50 packs. Field blower, nice. Nope. Oh, nice! Vikavolt GX. Yeah, baby. This is great. Look at that. Very nice. Let me sleeve him up. I have not got a Vikavolt GX yet. Another ultra rare. Ultra rare, no full art or secret rare yet. Oh, that's okay. We're getting some good stuff here. Alright, so that was 50 cards. We pulled Vikavolt GX, on the 50th pack. So let's move on to the next 25. Let's go. We got, let me put this pile of the first and the second pile here, and then we'll start this pile. Alright. So we got 3 ultra rare. Tapu Lele, Vikavolt, and Metagross. 2 holos so far. I wonder what else we could dig up. What else can we dig up here? Not any Diglets. Ooh, another holo, Alolan Golem. If this was a pack battle, I would be winning. Nope. Ooh, the Turtonator reverse hug. Ah! Rockruff or Corio. Oh. A little bended. Ooh, a reverse holo Aqua Patch. Nice. I could put that in my water deck. Yeah, I wish I was more of an online player, but unfortunately I play the actual card game. That's why I'm able to give you guys my codes. Ooh, look at this logo. Pretty cool. And by the way, there's another one for you guys. So, any of my subscribers open any Sun and Moon Guardians Rising Dollar Tree packs? If so, let me know what kind of stuff you got in those. Did you have any luck? Or can you guys even find them where you guys are from? Let me know. Please. Yeah, baby, full art. Drampa GX. Hey guys, this might be a killer deck one day. Look at this. That's a really nice looking card. Yeah, I'm really excited. Full art, Drampa. Sexy. I'm sorry. Excuse my language, but he is kind of sexy. Wow. Very nice. Very nice pulls. Alright, we'll set you right here with a Sneasel. Oh, I don't think Sneasel likes to hold you up. Alright, we're almost done with the third pile, which would make it 75 packs. Hold on 1 second. Okay, field blower, put this to my side. Alright, so third pile, that was 75 packs. 75 packs, and out of that pile we got the Alolan Golem Holo and the Drampa GX full art. Alright, let's move on. This is 16, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, let's get in it. Can we get anything else? Maybe a secret rare in these last packs, guys? Come on. Just this little secret rare for me. Or even a hyper rare, rainbow rare, whatever you want to call it. Field blower. Alright, we're almost done. Can we hit something? Can we hit something before it's over? I don't know. I hope so. Oh, we got a Holo Mudsdale. Back here with the Holos. Nothing. 2 packs left. Did nothing. And the last pack. Can we get something in the last pack? Oh, nope. Right. Oh no. Is that another pack with just 2 cards in it? Oh no. Guys, oh, yeah, I dropped it. If there was a third one and I'm not able to see it. Alright, well, hopefully it wasn't an ultra rare. Oh great, guys, what did I do? Alright, well, this is what we got. Recap. Here's all our commons and uncommons. And some rares. Alright, and this is what we got. The big guns. And some holos we got. Alright. We got Metagross GX. Ultra Rare. Drampa GX. Full art. Tappalele GX. Full art. Best pull, I think. Vikavolt GX. This is not full art. This is just the regular Ultra Rare. We have a Holo Mudsdale. We got 2 Alolan Golems and a Delmise Holo. Alright. So, that was much better, much better. I really like our pools today. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite pool. And let me know what you guys are getting from Sun and Moon Guardians Rising's Dollar Tree packs, or if you even come across them, alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and here's my stuff on my deck I put on the side. Alright, you guys have a good night. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and be subscribed to my channel so you can learn to earn free codes. Bye. Peace.